Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Accops Network errors and UAD not opening. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the Windows Security, and click on Windows Security into the search bar. Open the Windows Security interface. Click on Virus and Threat Protection on the left side. And click Virus and Threat Protection Settings. So turn off all option in the Virus and Threat Protection settings under Protection. Again, click the left side in Firewall and Network Protection. And turn off all firewall settings. Click on Allow an app through Firewall. After click Change Settings. Scroll down and searching the High Secure Client. And allowed private and public all box in High Secure Client. Then click Apply and OK. Close. Press the Windows key and type in the Device Manager, and click on Device Manager into the search bar. Open the Device Manager interface. Sound device or driver. Display audio and high-definition audio device. Right-click on Driver and go to Properties. Click on Driver tab. Check your driver version. First update the driver, otherwise not okay, so uninstall he driver. Go to this PC. Click Local Drive C. Programs File 86. Click on Aspect Software. Click Unified IP. Then UAD. Then select UAD and right-click and go to Properties. Go to Compatibility tab and following me. Apply and OK. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.